I just picked up this griddle from Sam's Club for $80 on sale. And it's a really nice griddle, but I made a couple of modifications that I think you might be interested in. First is the grease door. What I did here was I added some magnets. There's one on the bottom there. I only had 3 lying around, that's why there's 3 instead of 4. What I found was this drawer would fall out a lot of times when I put it in and then picked up and moved the grill. So the magnets just keep it in place. The second mod, if you look here, there's a pop rivet. And I don't think you can sort of see it there. There's another pop rivet here. This piece of metal was kind of bowed up a little bit. And oil canned, and it just kind of bothered me, and so I put a couple of pop rivets in. You could use screws, but either way it firmed up this bottom. The last one, and the most interesting one, is on the grill top. If you look at the back here, I took a piece of steel bar that I bought at the big box store for $6. And then I took a couple of spacers, which are washers, drilled a hole through both the rod and the grill, and put a screw through it with a nut, or a screw with a nut to fasten it. And you're asking yourself, why would I do something like this? It makes a great place to put your spatula and other grill tools.